Alright, so I've had a bunch of questions about our Pi setup. So we're going to dive on into it and cover some things. This is our original, first original design of the Pibook. And it's supposed to fit the 7-inch screen, which just sits in there and then screws into the back plate, where the Pi then mounts to the screen, as shown. This is our Pi case. This is our finalized and modified Pi case. Originally, it didn't have these holes and grooves. It was just smooth like this. We put the hole for the DSI cables in. And then once we finished that, we added the grooves for the DSI ribbon to keep it in place. Now that is our final model of the Pi case. And that's the one we will be using. Originally, this file came from Thingiverse, and I modified it and changed it so that it would work for my needs. And that's what we're using now. This is our original codec, which is a portable 5-inch screen design that uses the same USB mini keyboard. It has ports all around so that you can pop the keyboard in and access the power cable and on-off switch, along with the USB access port in the back of the keyboard. The screen mounts to the back of the 5-inch top panel the same way it does on the 7-inch. And here you can see the difference between version 1 and version 2, where the backlight screen button is available. These two are the original versions. And when you attach the Pi to the screen, this is what it'll look like. And this is before the ribbon trail. This is the new final codec design. The differences here, as you can see, are the mounting holes. Instead of it being a single spot hole, it allows for movement of the screen from side to side. It was hard to get all the screens to fit, so we changed it out to this. Single holes just didn't work very well. All the same internals on the base. And when you connect this Pi to our version, our lineup of 7-inch Pibooks, we have the standard 7-inch screen, a dual 5-inch, and then a 5-inch screen on the 7-inch base. This is our original 7-inch base model Pibook. It will not have any bells or whistles. It doesn't have any protective casing, no TPU bottom or top. The screen just mounts in right there. The keyboard drops in, and that's it for that. Straightforward laptop. Next up is the dual 5-inch screen, and this is a coding robotics building platform that allows for mounting of GPIO accessories that you can either design yourself or whatnot. As you can see here, the DSI ribbon is protected on screen 1. Screen 2 is just there. We have not developed anything yet, but there's always something in the works. Both screens mount and then allow for easy viewing of two different screens. Nice for coding. This is a 5-inch screen with the 7-inch base. It has all the same functions. It's got the access ports. Still got the laser button. GPU covers. And it fits the 5-inch screen. If you remove the TPU backplate, there's another white panel that will be applied here, which helps hold and secures in the screen. So there is our Pibook and Codec lineup series. Hope you enjoyed it.